Hey guys, it's Crystal with FAAD Media. We're going to do a quick how to add an admin to your WordPress website. During your onboarding, you may need to give someone access to the back end of your site, and I've got a few simple, dimple steps to get you started with that. Grab your coffee, let's go. We're going to start here at your beautiful WordPress dashboard. On the left side menu, you'll see Users, and you'll select that. This will open up to another page. At the top, you'll see a button, Add User. After selecting that, it will open up a new page. We're going to give a few credentials to your user by starting with the username. You can put anything there that you want, but it is required, and then the email. If a password isn't automatically generated, you'll just hit Generate Password here, and then we move to the drop-down menu for the role. You'll want to make sure to select Administrator to give them full access. Then final step is Add User. That's going to open up back to your users page and you're done. Your new administrator will receive an email invite. Awesome.